Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you the process of making this orange peel powder from scratch, and also I'll show you how to use this orange peel powder to make the wonderful orange peel powder oil, which has numerous benefits. If you want to know, please continue watching. So to make this process, first of all you need to collect orange peels. Whenever you eat oranges, the peels which you remove should be collected and dried in the sun for at least 1 or 2 days until it becomes crisp. Here I have some peels which I had already dried, and for this process again I am keeping it in the sun so that it becomes crispy. As you can see, the peels are dry enough and it easily breaks in between my fingers, so it's quite crisp and it is ready to be ground. It's always best to dry this in the sun, but if you don't find adequate sun in your places, you can always use air dryer, and you can also use oven or dehydrator. So these techniques will ensure that the peels become crisp, ready and ready for grinding. So to grind this, I am using a mixer jar where I drop in all the peels, and I've ground this into a fine powder. You can see the color, the aroma is filling the room. If you find it is too thick or coarse, you can grind it again. It's always important to have a fine powder so that it has maximum benefits. You can use even a mortar pestle to just make the powder. Storing this powder is always important. So I have got at least 100 grams of this powder using some 6 to 7 orange peels. So I'm using a plastic container and I'm dropping all this powder in it, and I will be storing this in the refrigerator, and it can be stored for more than 3 months without being it doesn't change the color nor the aroma. So it's always good to store in the refrigerator and use it for different purposes. Today in my video, I'll be sharing with you one purpose of this orange peel powder, that is making orange oil. So the process would be simple. I am taking a glass jar. It's important to have the glass jar, and I'll drop at least 3 to 5 tablespoons of this orange peel powder into it, and I'll be using oil for this purpose. So I will be infusing this powder in oil. So the process would be that I will take olive oil. I'll be taking at least 100 ml of olive oil. You can use a mix of all other oils like almond oil, olive oil or coconut oil, but for this purpose I'm just using olive oil. This allows the oil to capture the essence and beneficial properties of the orange peels. So just pour in 100 ml of oil into the glass jar, mix it thoroughly, and you can cap this up tightly and keep it in the sun for at least 3 to 4 days. So here I have placed it on the windowsill. So keep changing positions as and when you would require, wherever that you find a sun. So this takes at least 3 to 4 days depending on the quality and quantity of sun you provide. The oil would be ready within few days. So after 2 to 3 days of keeping in the sun, the oil is ready. It has a lot of benefits from being a rich source of vitamin C. It has antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. It can help in digestion whenever you consume a bit. It can improve your skin health and relieve stress. You can use it as a room freshener. You can use it as put it in your candles and as a diffuser. We can it has so much of advantages with these natural ingredients can offer. You can always keep it in this jar only so that it keeps on infusing the orange peels, or you can just filter it out and store it in another different container. I would always prefer to keep the orange oil in the orange peels only, so that I can use whenever I want. So this orange oil is, so try to make this wonderful orange oil, and you can use it in different purposes. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.